next with a song by Jorden Sparks.
I who have nothing, I who have no one, adore you and want you so. I'm just a no one with nothing to give you, but I love you. You can take her any place she wants, to fancy clubs and restaurants, where I can only watch you with my nose pressed up against the window pane. I love you. I have nothing, must watch you go dancing by, wrapped in the arms of somebody else when time it die.
Do something different. Yes, I'm of the feeling that you should try experimenting on other genres.
I like your performance, but I said, and I'll still repeat myself, you know, you have one of the unique voices that we've never had in this competition.